Girls and Backstabs.
Joke kasi! Hey, hi guys, it's Salma.
Yan.
And together we're Yama.
Hi guys, I'm John.
Riz.
We are Jomar.
Hi guys, I'm Jody. I'm Kai. And together we are Kaijo.
And you're listening to
B-Rolls and Backstabs.
Facts. And for today's episode, ako talaga lahat? Bakit? Siya di ba? Again. Siya di ba? Hindi na kasi kinukuha to. Okay.
Here. Slay.
Go guys.
Parang magiging set tawa to.
Okay, in today's episodes, we're going to be talking about
Our journey.
Before becoming creative media students. Yes.
Okay, who's gonna start?
So to start off,
wow.
we're going to start with Kai.
Exactly.
Facts. Before becoming?
Yeah, what's your journey?
What happened?
Okay, so I was in IFES in Batspa. Then I was supposed to go to another school. I was supposed to transfer like midway second sem because I wanted to finish grade 12. I haven't decided yet what my course would be. So I was gonna go there. But then my friend, who's also our classmate, told me that there's creative media in Batspa. Then he convinced me.
Who's that?
Who's that?
Who?
It was Daniel.
Shout out Daniel.
Shout
Yes,
out
he
sa'yo,
convinced me.
Daniel!
So now I'm here. Next.
Me?
No.
No, the other person.
Ha? No, I didn't really wanna Nalabas yung pagkakonyo ko. Hindi, I didn't really choose creative media at first. I really wanted to be an engineer. Sorry. Actually, marami akong wala na, lalabas na yung pagiging konyo ko. Ano nga?
Engineering.
Ayun, engineering talaga was really my first choice. Kasi I was a STEM student in the Philippine School, Dubai. Shout out sa'yo. And then, engineering was expensive. It's expensive, you know? Engineering was expensive and I really, I don't really like the math there. But I like math. But not the math in engineering. Gets ba?
Okay.
Gusto ko yung math pero ayaw ko yung math ng engineering. Kasi gugulo yung utak ko. Magulo na nga, mas gugulo pa. So, ayun. Second choice, Masscom.
Oh?
Masscom.
Really?
Yeah.
Where?
In the
Which
Philippines.
university?
I applied in different universities in the Philippines. DLSU Lipa. I'm quiet on the set. Ayun. DLSU Lipa. DLSU Manila. DASMA. Tapos UST. Meron ding BSU, Batangas State University. Actually, funny story. I told my advisor before na I wanted to apply. Na I wanted to apply sa Batangas State University. And then nung naglabas na yung results.
Naglabas
na yung results. Nag-chat siya sa akin. Sabi niya, anak, andyan na yung results ng BSU. Gusto ko sana sabihin, miss, sa ibang BSU po ako napasok. So, ayun. And then I ended up being here in creative media. Directing talaga. Kasi ang Masscom, there's journalism there, di ba? Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
So I was from UIPS. I think I'm supposed to be like a batch lower than you guys. But naubusan kami ng slot in UI. Naubusan? Ano English ng naubusan?
Ran out.
Yeah, we ran out. Oh, so, I was grade 10 at the time. I was supposed to use my time for like senior high school to think about the college that I want to go to. But apparently it wasn't God's plan. So I had to skip senior high. Tapos, like, I was forced to join BSU because of the slot. But actually, I was supposed to go to TPS. TPS dapat ako, pero my parents thought it was more practical. It was more practical to like skip the senior high kasi matatanggal lang rin yung KG12? Yung K12. K-12. Yung K-12 curriculum. Yeah. So yun, nag-VATS po ako. Tapos, in IFS, I was supposed to go creative computing. Tapos, parang I could not imagine myself like coding for the rest of my life. So, I joined creative media really last second, like a day before school started. So, yun.
Yeah.
In my part, actually. My part. But for me, I wasn't supposed to go to college. Like, I don't know. I was yeah. Because like I reached the point that I don't know. I got bored of studying, and my plan was just like to finish K to 12. But my friends and especially my mom introduced me to BSU.
Are you gonna cry?
Introduced me to BSU. So like, I was just gonna finish it, then go back to my original plan. But suddenly, like, the moment I joined BSU, like, I enjoyed it a lot, especially in IFS, since that.
What did you enjoy in BSU?
Like the people there, especially like the people there were like so friendly. Because before in my high school days, I was like so shy. Yeah, I was so shy, and
No, actually, there's a lot of issues in TP. Sorry.
Hey. Cut.
Cut the cameras.
Sorry.
Anyways. Okay, anyways. Continuing.
So to continue, I enjoyed my student life in BSU. Then I gained friends, not only like in my age range, but also the higher ups and stuff.
Yes, Jody.
Maybe you're in the wrong set of friends lang. Kasi there's a lot of people in TPS na parang they're taking advantage of you. Pero it's really rare na parang to find good.
But it doesn't mean that I didn't enjoy TPS. It doesn't mean that I didn't enjoy
bleep the school
TPS.
No, actually, legit. If you're in the wrong circle of friends who's taking advantage of you, it's not really fun.
Valid.
Respect.
Sucks.
Respect. Okay.
Continue. So I enjoyed BSU, made friends, and suddenly I was about to join creative computing. Like actually, I wasn't gonna join creative media, but
To be.
creative media just suddenly popped out of nowhere. Like BSU, like introduced it. Like it was just at my feed. Like so sudden, like I didn't even know what was in creative media, what were like the jobs you can get after you graduate there. So yeah, I was like, let's use the unique one because like creative computing was so overrated. Like no.
Respect.
No, respect to creative computing students, but like most of the people who joined BATSPA, it's either creative computing or business.
That's
like-
true.
Those are the two most common options when you join BSU. So I was like, you know what? Let's choose a different path. So let's choose a different path, which is like creative media. So I had like, I don't know, good experience so far in creative media. Made new friends, which is them.
Friends lang?
Super sweet.
Friends lang?
Di mag-igilang mag-isip.
So yeah, that's my journey in creative media.
Magkaibigan.
Yung upuan.
It's your turn. Partner.
Partner. Ako nagsabi ko na pagalitan.
Makabahaba yung sa amin, guys.
Do we have a
Okay,
few
we're ready to
hours?
listen.
Okay, I'll
Yeah, go.
summarize. I dropped out from my first college. College? No, not yet. Oh yeah, I did. I did my first course because I dropped out senior high and then I finished
What
it.
was your first course?
First course was interior designing and marketing.
Sound effects.
Drink your drink.
Okay.
Horizon.
As we rise up, we are Horizon.
Shout out to Horizon.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I was interior designing and marketing, and then I just did one sem because I was like, I don't want to continue because I studied like architect as well and like the plumbing side, and I'm just like, anyways,
Plumbing
yeah,
side.
like for interior designing, you have to like learn the things behind the walls, toilet, lighting,
Oh.
fixtures, and everything. So I was like, I don't want to continue.
So,
What is behind it?
Like you gotta look at the blueprint so you know where to like
go.
Anyways, yeah, I dropped out and then I wasn't supposed to continue uni this year. It was supposed to be next. Actually, yeah, this year. And then mom was like, "You're gonna start uni now." And then she enrolled me na pala. I didn't. I didn't know.
Wow, same. Same. Shocking, right?
Surprise.
But then she was like, "You can choose your course though." So I was like, "Okay, I'm gonna take business because I've always liked business anyways." But then when they were presenting in the office thingy, I saw creative media. She was just like passing through it, but then I was like, "Wait, back it up, back it up." And then yeah, I saw creative media. I asked about it. It was intriguing, so now we're here. Slay.
We got Horizon Yan from creative media now.
Okay, anyways, to our other dropout.
Ooh.
Yes, guys. Unfortunately, I'm also a dropout. Unfortunately? Yes. Fortunately. Why? Otherwise, you wouldn't be here.
Anyway, so yes, I'm also a dropout. I started college in the Philippines 2019. Then, actually, it's a really confusing setup because the first course I really wanted to take was veterinary medicine. But then I didn't know that I should do the interview and stuff like that because I wasn't expecting to study in that certain university. I was supposed to study in Manila National University, but then my mom's like, "Oh, you passed this university, which is CLSU. Shout out CLSU." And it's a state university, so it really helped us through financial problems and stuff because they didn't need to pay my tuition fee. Okay, so back to the courses. So they said that I couldn't really enroll in veterinary medicine because I was late and stuff like that. But they told us to go to agriculture to take up animal science. But then we asked the tricycle driver. Tapos he was like, yeah,
The tricycle driver, then what happened?
and then like, sabi niya, oh, the agriculture is there pa sa malayo. Sobrang Anyway, andun daw sa malayo. Then, natingin na lang kami ni mommy. Then I'm like, should we try biology? Then, I tried because there's an interview and stuff. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna pass anyway.
So, yun na nga. Eh, di nag-biology ako. Sabi ko lang kay mami, sige, try ko. Since alam ko naman di ako papasa cause may interview, ganun. So, nag-interview ako. Like, they were asking, anong ina-expect ko sa biology, ganyan. Ang target ko talagang major is zoology. Since nga gusto ko nga mag-vet talaga. Tapos, edi kung ano na lang sinasabi ko kasi wala naman talaga ako alam tungkol sa biology. Sabi ko, I'm gonna study about animals. Ending plants pala yung pag-aaralan. Kasi hindi zoology yung nakuha ko. Ang nakuha ko is biotech. I don't know what is that. Tapos ayun, then first sem, nagkaroon ako ng 2 bagsak. Zoology, yung binagsak ko. At saka, math. Math was just a minor subject. Then, yung zoology major. So, second sem, sabi ng prof ko, sige, kunin mo yung zoology sa ibang course, which is, I took it sa fisheries. Then, napasa ko naman siya.
Wow.
Yes, Lay. Kasi, nag-pandemic. Kaya ako siya napasa. So, nag-pandemic, ganun. Parang 6 months ako na-stuck sa Philippines. I stayed with my college best friend. Then, nung bumalik ako dito, syempre, pandemic pa. I was still studying online class. But, why?
That's offensive.
Ayun. Nag-study ako ng online class. Pero like, I wasn't really into it kasi it's online class tapos ang hirap ng course na kinukuha ko. Then, like, wala akong natututunan as in kasi hindi kami nag-Zoom meeting. Like, they'll just give us the modules and stuff. So, around 2021, nung nag-start ng expo, I tried working. So, I worked. Then, yun, fault ko yun na hindi ko napagsabay. So, yung, hindi naman sa bumagsak, pero like, nagkaroon ako ng mga incomplete na grades, ganun. So, naging irregular ako ulit. So, siguro I was second year college na nun or like third year college. Dapat, thesis na kinukuha ko nun. Pero like, since masyado kong pinressure yung self ko na, oh, I need money, blah, 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 blah. Ayun, parang, ang tawag doon? Napabayaan ko yung studies ko. Then, basta yung bumalik na yung face-to-face, I went back to the Philippines. I searched for boarding houses and stuff. Tapos, syempre, na-shock ako kasi like, iba na yung classmates ko. Hindi yung mga kabatch ko. Then, parang, it was really hard for me to adjust because not everyone's like, I don't know them. Like, kahit nung online class is, alam mo yun, nakakausap ko sila. Personally, I don't know them. Then parang, I tried to survive that year. So I was like, siguro third year irregular. Then last year, I was taking up my, thesis. Tapos parang, sabi ko, sige, kaya ko to, ganyan. Like, kaso individual yung thesis namin. Like, ang hirap kasi, it's experimental. Like, I have to do something na, tawag dito, na parang, hindi ko naman gustong gawin. Tapos like, out of nowhere, parang, I have the title, I have my advisor, I have the place where I'm going to conduct my thesis and stuff. Out of nowhere, tumawag si mami. Tapos sabi nga, kumusta ka? Ganyan. Out of nowhere, umiiyak ako. Like, I literally broke down na parang sabi ko na hindi ko na kaya, ganyan. Hindi ako iyak, guys,
Wow, deep talks na agad.
Wow.
Emotional because like I've told everyone about this. Tapos, ang mahirap lang is, syempre I was really scared na sabihin yun. But ewan ko, nung araw na yun talaga like, nasabi ko lahat kay mommy. Then parang she gave me suggestions na, sige maghanap ka na ng ibang school sa Philippines, ganyan. But then I was like, no, I really wanna go back to Abu Dhabi. Tapos ayun, I went back here. Then, I didn't really thought of stopping. Sabi ko na, gusto talaga mag-aral pa rin. Like, I don't want a gap year, something like that. Tapos, I said, I'll try BSU na. Tapos, our friend, sabi niya, oh, Yan is also gonna enroll sa BSU. So, lalo ako na-excited. I'm like, oh my God, I'm gonna have a friend there. Tapos, at first, I was really gonna take business then, HR. Then, sabi nga nung friend ko rin, may creative media. Sabi ko, creative media? Ano yun? Tapos I searched it up. Then I'm like, oh, it's something that I really want to pursue. Kasi I started working at Expo. Then Expo is like an event industry and it's really fun to work there. So I'm like, oh nga no, this is something that I would enjoy. So I said na, sige, try ko. So, ayun, tinry ko and it was really fun. Except the travel time. Because we have to travel for like 5 hours papunta pa lang. Then like, pabalik. So like, the whole day, nasa bus lang kami. Then, ayun, at first I was scared because like, the age gap. I'm like 23 and yung mga classmates ko 17, 18, 19.
14.
14.
So it was really hard at first. But then, nung nakilala ko na kayo,
Hey.
no, when I met them, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna survive this school year. Like, I'm gonna survive this course. Because this is something na hindi ko na feel when I was an irregular student in the Philippines. Because like, people there are really different. Like, they're very competitive and they look down sa'yo pag like, alam nila na, irregular to, bobo to, ganyan. But then, I don't know, I enjoyed it naman. And yeah, I'm happy. Really happy with them. And I love the course right now. Kahit,
Never mind. Next question. Next question.
What made us like different from those?
because you accepted me. Legit, kasi like, alam mo yun, despite the age gap, you didn't treat us like someone who's, matanda na kayo, ba't nandito pa kayo, ganyan.
Grabe naman.
You're like, oh, welcome, ganyan.
Yeah, there are attitudes in the Philippines.
Yeah, because like in the legit to, like, even if you ask other people, they'll be like, actually, yeah, it's true. Because like, they'll be like, irregular ka. Bakit? Dami mong bagsak. Ganun sila sa
Yeah,
Philippines.
because they think highly of themselves.
Yeah. But other courses naman, yeah, they're good. But like, most of them talaga, they'll be like, di ba dapat gantong grade ka na? Di ba dapat graduate ka na? Ganyan. So I'm really thankful. I'm really thankful for them because like, I was really scared talaga. Sabi ko, ano?
Oops.
Oops. Beep, beep.
Sorry. I was like, yeah. Paano ko sasabihin sa kanila, 23 ako, tapos ganun. Pero first time nila kami nakita, di nila alam na 20 plus na kami.
I remember,
Wow.
I think one of the teachers, asked kung sino na may work. Kasi nakita ko si ate yan, siya lang yung nagtaas na kami, sabi niya.
Oh, wait.
Sa
One.
kanya, they thought na she was 17 and sound siguro 19, ganun.
Oh, yeah, same,
like-
same.
Damn, we don't look that old. Kasi ayaw pa namin sabihin yung totoong age namin. But then we're like, you know what? Just let it be. Kasi either way, malalaman nila.
Oh, nung minsan nga sa'yo, magka-batch kami ni ate yan. Say, you're 23? So, ilan taon na si ate yan? Hindi, ano na rin yan si ate yan. Magka-batch daw sila nung bata. Sila pinaglalaban.
So, yun, guys. Yeah, that's how I'm currently in creative media because, Yeah, drop out ako, kaya ako nandito. Para naging option lang siya. But, it's fun. Come to creative media, guys.
Wow.
Mas maganda
BSU.
talaga. Sometimes the best choice is no choice. The no choice is
I
the
think
choice.
Everyone here naman was really scared to take the risk of going to BSU
Actually, yeah.
and taking a course that's really new. But then, actually, even the professors, shout out.
Hey.
Actually,
Shout out to my favorite professor.
Ang nagiging exciting lang kasi sa BSU is yung circle of friends. Yun talaga yung mas malaking impact eh. When you're in a good circle of friends, mas, ewan ko.
They don't go to uni, we don't.
Siguro,
Mas maganda yung
siguro kung like, hindi ko kayo nakilala, parang ayoko na. I don't wanna go to BSU anymore. Siguro naghanap na ako ng bago.
Same. Umiyak. Sorry. You're ready.
Kasi nung first 3 days, I was alone.
You?
Yeah, first 3 days, I was alone. I was always in the cafeteria.
Mga second day, di ba nag-usap-usap na tayo?
Third day yun, Wednesday yun. That was Wednesday. I remember that day.
I remember it too.
No, I remember it. That's third day. Kasi sabi ko, last day na ng first week, tapos wala pa rin ako nakakausap. Paano na ako dyan? Magsa-second week, ayoko na pumasok, ganyan.
Same.
Tapos bigla silang lumab. Si Reese. Kasi si Reese taga-tipes. So sabi ko, kakausapin ko to. You gotta be my friend. I have to survive this. Kinausap ko si Reese. And then, naglapit na si Nazay na siya. Ang unang sabi sa akin ni Thea, I have to, parang kailangan niya daw tanggalin yung pagka-nonchalant. You have to make friends eh. Tatanggalin ko na yung pagiging nonchalant ko. I have to make friends, ganon. And then they started to, get IGs.
Yeah, guys, they left us out.
Yeah.
Me, Kylie, and Yen. Alam mo, nagpipicture sila sa harapan namin. Nakapic silang
There was
lahat,
this-
tas
yo,
kami.
There was this one Wednesday, they all wear pink. Like, okay.
It's true, guys. It's true. Like, sa harapan namin, and nakatingin lang kami nila.
Kasi hindi mo natin kilala yung isa't isa nun eh.
Yeah, I don't know, ba't di nila kami nilapitan?
You guys were already in a group. You guys looked like you didn't want to get disturbed or
In a group,
something.
tatlo lang kami. That's a group.
They had a whole separate GC.
Yes.
Wait,
Yeah.
patay na yung GC na yun.
Nasingit.
Okay, so I have question sa inyo lahat. Ano ang specific na job na gusto nyo i-pursue sa future? Like, dahil na nandito na kayo sa course na to ngayon. Yes? Partner?
No. I mean, I've always wanted fashion designing, but now that I've tried, like, filming and everything, I think I want to try photography, but then still related to fashion, so probably fashion photography. So, yeah. Okay, go.
I think de. Wala. For me siguro media manager. Wow. No, cause like I've been I want to gain like a deeper understanding sa media. Like, Kasi like media, it's not just about like, video dito, picture doon. So, with media manager, like, dive in pa ako dun sa mga kailangan gawin. Like, basic media principles and that. And yeah.
Wow.
How about you, Thea? May tagahawak ng mic.
Oh my God. Okay. Kasi, sorry. I was like, I always wanted like aeronautics, aeronautical engineering. Yeah, that was like my first option. But then now that I was like basically pushed into creative media, because I was fine with it, because I was always into arts. My second option would be architecture. But now that I'm here, I got to experience like videography, photography. So my interest in arts, I want to divert it into being like a creative director or something.
Wow.
And like if I can't achieve that, then maybe I can just like join a well-known company that's kind of big if I can, and maybe for like a side would be freelancing. Yeah.
Photography or
Mix.
slay. How about you, Jody?
Me?
Yes.
Ako, I really wanted, na maging director. Maging director sa events. Events or, siguro, concerts lalo. Yung, gawari,
Project manager.
Oo, para mga ganun. Parang, ang saya lang kasi na parang, yun, na-imagine mo eh.
Nasumakses ka eh.
Na-imagine mo sa isip mo. Tama pa na-imagine. Ayun, director sa events, concerts. Pero kung hindi pala rin, ako na lang sa stage.
Star Magic.
Sabi, Star Magic.
Direct?
Derek Lauren. Let's be friends.
Guys,
anyway.
Beanie Night member.
Hello, Kylie. Partner tayo. Hello.
Okay, for me, same lang din kay Jody. I wanna go to concerts.
Concerts ko yung pupuntahan niya.
I don't know the job name.
Job name? Okay, explain.
The position, basta yun. Like, the people going to concerts and events. Yun.
Audience?
Crowd? Congregation?
Yun ba yung,
Wow, bigger.
yun ba yung project manager?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Project?
Depends on, like, which...
Partner.
Depends on like which part sa concert. Like,
Anyway.
sa audio.
Basta nandun ako.
But I think like, yeah, the same. Kasi for me then, similar. Like, huh?
You didn't answer yet.
No, I asked the
Yeah.
question.
Actually, my first choice was my childhood dream was to be like a baker talaga. Yes.
Yeah, she baked this.
Yes.
Bakeries ka pala.
Then, ako nag-bake niya.
Yes.
Then, growing up, I started to travel. So, I wanted to be a flight attendant.
Slay.
Kasi I have the height. Naabot ko yung yung overhead.
Sorry, Beth. Sorry. Height reveal.
Mag-heels ka na lang.
Baka kasi magpatulog. Kahit tutulong pa ako sa passenger. Ma'am, pwede pa abot.
Imagine na ganun talaga ginawa mo. Sir?
Kaya ako nang sa trolley lang. Chicken or beef? Siguro hanggang doon lang ako.
Drinks?
Tapos ginagawa ng seatbelt.
Hindi demonstrate.
Ganun.
Yung oxygen mask. Natras ka.
Yes, yun.
Anong gulo naman ng mga bata.
Yung set natin.
Oo.
But yes. How about you, Ate Salma?
Kasama ka.
For me, it's the same. Like, I really want to pursue either directing, but then, pag maging director ka kasi like, it's not enough na yung pinag-aralan mo lang is creative media. That's why actually after graduating, I'm planning to migrate. Migrate? Nauna yung... No, I'm planning to really migrate, like, to take masters in film. But if hindi naman kaya, like, if I have to work first, I mean, either way, I can take masters in film anytime. But if I have to work, I really want to work, like, being a project manager or, like, operations manager, ganun. In big companies. Hopefully.
Ano daw yung operation manager?
Surgery po
Yeah,
ba?
the one who's... like,
Okay.
kausap yung mga matatanda.
Sorry.
Respect, please.
Sorry.
Settle down.
Sorry.
Respect.
I think, from my understanding lang, project manager is the one who's, like, contact person ng mga... For example, may specific company na magpapa-concert. Then they have to contact that project manager na para siya magsisettle ng, like, yeah, to handle the staff and
Hindi ako
stuff.
gusto ko ako yung mismo yung gagawa ng sinabi nung kliyente. Okay, ganito yung lights.
I think
okay,
that's like
ganito yung
operations manager yung ganun. But then
gusto ko
it
yun.
Gusto
If
mo
we're
yung
wrong,
mas
sorry.
hands-on.
If you're wrong, comment
Pero
down
that's-
below.
Please correct us na lang, ha? Pero that's, yun yung naiintindihan
Basta
ko.
nasa events.
Yeah, because like, it's really money. Ooh. Tapos yung yung time na pag-workan mo. Like, you don't work the whole week. You work like specific days. But then, you gain money. Pero hindi dahil sa money, ha? It's our passion.
Pwede din naman yung, like,
Pwede
the
sa
photographer.
Yeah, concert photographer.
Concert photographer.
Yeah. But I
Basta
suck at...
gusto ko yung, yung magalaw ako. Ayoko kasi yung nakaupo lang.
Steady.
Hello?
Hello po.
Yeah, yun. Yun naman sa akin. Puro sa akin galing. She has
Next question.
Yes.
So, ano nga yun? Okay, so now that like we're all here, you know, medyo close na. We're a little close.
Medyo lang.
Little lang. Little lang. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay.
I want to know like our first impressions of each other. So first and last. Okay. Yung first impression and your impression now.
Like how did that first impression change?
Yeah.
Should I
Paano kung
start?
di ako observant?
Yeah.
I think Thea should start.
Ready ka na?
No.
Talk mo dapat yun.
No, it's fine. Sa atin lang naman eh.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like not really personal. I think not personal impressions.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Yes, Jomar.
Oh, wait. Me.
Okay, go.
First impression during the first day.
Each siya. Each.
Each?
Yes.
Wait, di pwede like by group and stuff.
Hindi naman kami dapat.
Hindi, pero kay to Ate Sam, siguro tahimik. Kasi in the first day, I don't know if it's just me kasi I don't know anyone yet. Like, I was not that close.
He doesn't know anyone in our class. Outside our class.
He knows everyone.
Hi, JB! Hi, JB!
Bawat sulok ng BSU may kakilala yan.
Konsehal. Bawat sulok, itatranslate mo talaga yan.
Mayor JV nga pala.
Number 14 sa balota.
Okay, next. How about now?
How about now to Ate Sam's sister figure? Like, older sister figure. Kasi like, I don't know. Kasi, being like the eldest, like, I've never felt like having... Whoa! Deep talks! Di, pero like, Older
eldest,
sister
by the
figure
way.
kasi
I'm not the eldest, guys.
kasi ate Sam is like, alam mo yun, mapang-asar. So like, ako din, mapang-asar din ako. So, parang, alam mo yun,
Pikon siya, guys,
sibling lang
pikon.
type relationship. Ganun.
Sister and brother.
Bunso. Okay. Okay, yan.
Ate Yen. Sobrang caring eh.
First impression?
Ay, hindi, no. Bali pala. Lutang, my bad. First impression to Ate Yen, seryoso. Serious.
Serious.
Sobrang serious.
Kasi like, the moment I saw Ate Yen, parang ang mukha niya nakaganon na siya. Nakaganon.
RBF.
Like, meron natin na one time na kakapasok ko pa lang, late pa ako. Tapos like, nung nakita ko sila lahat, si Ate Yen nakaganto lang. Habang nagdi-discussion, like, nakaganon lang siya. Pero now, Ate Yen, impression now to Ate Yen is like, sobrang caring niya.
Wow.
Like, kasi itong mga to, inaasar ako lagi. Ito lang yung kampi ko.
Hindi rin.
Kakampi mo?
Hindi rin.
Sinusumbong ka nga namin kay Ate Yen.
Yeah. Wala kang kakampi dito.
Talaga ba? Paano nyo nasabi?
Anyways. Anyways.
Okay, next person.
Okay, so yun na. That's for Ate Yen. Then,
No, it was me.
next is kay Thea. First
Mamaya na si Thea kami muna.
Huh?
Dati kaibigan. Ngayon,
Okay. Kaibigan na. The joke.
The light turned off.
The joke. Hey.
Okay. Yan.
Si Kai muna, si Kai.
Si Tikay? Ay, Tikay tuloy.
Lagi ko namin naaate minsan.
Kay Kylie nun, tahimik din si Kylie nung first day. So like, first impression. First month, yeah, actually first month. Siguro like, nag-usap lang kami ni Kai nung recording na ng We Are The World. Cause like, Kai was...
kabaling ko lang siya.
Cause like, Kai was standing and nakaganon siya. Tapos like, yun, sinabi ko, pre, okay ka ba?
Galing.
Nakaganto lang siya. Oh, pre, okay pa. Tapos, wala, awkward. Alis na ako ulit.
How about now?
Now, tahimik. Limited yung words. Pero paano ba? Basta ang limit niya magsalita pero may may laman. Alam niyo yung... may substance. So like... Huh?
Nakaka-hurt na talaga.
Pero yun nga, kay Kai is like, ngayon, nagsasalita naman siya. Yun.
Okay, di kay Judy lang yun.
Nakakausap na.
Awkward pa rin ba daw?
No, hindi na.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Next.
How about kay Judy?
Jody Kupal. De, joke. PG-13.
PG-13, bro. PG-13.
Kay Jody siguro, actually, you can't say na magiging first impression. Pero first impression ko talaga maingay na siya. Kasi like, she came from TPS. So like, parang...
Hello? So, sinasabi mo bang lahat ng nanggaling sa TPS maingay?
Gano'n na nga daw.
Din kasi, may, kilala ko na si Jody, like, parang background since naging kaklase ko yung kapatid niya. So like, the moment I saw the last name, okay. Kapatid niya nga siguro. Siguro
hindi niya pa.
I was like not sure. First impression, yun nga, maingay talaga. Tas, meron nata one time na, tinanong niya akong picturean kayo. Nung naka-pink sila.
Yung naka-pink sila, guys.
Pinapicture nila ako. So like,
That's okay.
the first thing she said was like,
We hate
"Hoy, 14
pink."
years old, lapit ka nga dito."
Really? I said that?
Damn, I sound like a bully.
You are.
Bully?
You're a bully.
Oh, that sounds wrong. That sounds wrong in Bisaya. Sorry. Eros, boss. Eros. Okay.
Okay,
Go
please
on.
continue.
Daming ads.
So, yun. Impression now, parang kapatid. Nakaaway. Kasi like,
Kapatid na lagi nag-aaway.
100%
like, bardagulan everywhere.
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 Like, every opportunity. Yun lang. Ganon.
Job?
Every opportunity. Ganon siya. So, yeah.
Okay, now last naman sa partner
Last.
mo.
Support.
Tapos na.
Kanina. Hello, are you here? Are you with us? Ano ba?
Last is sa partner mo na.
Partner. Sa Jo,
Partner
ano si Mars sa iyong Jo?
Ano? Kasi yan nun, masungit. First impression, masungit. Pero now, ano, mabuting kaibigan.
Kaibigan. Oh,
JB, kaibigan ba talaga o kaibigan?
Oh!
Malalaman.
Next episode. Kung gusto niyong malaman, comment down below.
no, like and subscribe
Like
mo
and
na.
subscribe. Comment down below.
100 likes. I-reveal niya.
Malalaman nyo.
Ay, ang tapang mo. Tapang mo
Kailangan
pala
na,
eh.
kailangan na.
Kailangan. Okay. Teya naman. Siya na. First impression niya sa amin.
Okay.
Ayaw mo? Gusto ko.
Okay. Sino muna?
Ikaw bahala.
Okay.
Basta huli ang partner.
Okay, kay Ate Salma ulit. Like, Ate Salma, it was, like, intimidating. Because, like, I don't know, during the first weeks, like, you're really not talking to, you weren't talking to anyone. Tas yung mukha mo, it was medyo lang. Only a slight. Pero tahimik ka nun. Tapos yung mukha mo is like,
Same. Mag-best friends nga kayo.
and then, now, she's, parang sabi ni JB, mapang-asar, pero like, ate figure. And like, parang, if you have like, kaaway, parang, you can go to like, Ate Salma, awayin mo yan, inaaway niya ako.
Grabe naman!
Awayin niya rin.
War freak?
Di
Guys,
naman, grabe
Dati
naman.
lang yun, okay?
Hindi
Mga
ganun.
Pepshans, kung nanonood kayo.
Shout out to you, Pepshans.
Dati lang yun, guys.
Let's go, Peps.
Let's go, Peps.
Tapos,
Sinoutout na lahat ng school.
tapos now, she's like, yeah, she's someone who would defend you. Yeah.
Yes, I would defend you guys.
Okay.
Yes. Just hold anything.
Okay, now ate yan. During the first day, she was friendly. I don't know if it was the first day or like, basta somewhere in the first week. Kasi, pinagtabi kami ni Sir Imran.
Oh, yeah. I remember that.
We started talking, like, it was a small chat. And then Sir Imran,
Decided to switch it again.
yeah, like,
Because he was like, oh, they're already friends. Like, no, no.
yeah, we're not even yet. So,
Chill.
we're good
Easy.
with Sir Imran. Very good.
Slay.
Favorite teacher?
Yeah, she was friendly, but limited din yung words, medyo. And then now, very ate figure. She's giving me really warm vibes. It's just
Sa'yo,
very...
cold.
Hindi kasi, like, siguro ate yan would be like the type to defend you through words. And ate Salma,
Grabe. Physical.
So if you need physical person.
explain it. Yeah, basta, yeah.
Whatever you say, queen.
Just don't cross her.
Don't cross her. Basketball player yun eh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And one more thing about Atean now is like when I was having like early, I was like going through a tough time, one of the toughest times, and then it was like from Atean, yung nakuha ko yung vibe na I feel like I can trust her, ganun. Because during the first few months, kinikilig. Maybe during the first few months, kasi I was like really shut off. Like I didn't want to make new friends because I was like satisfied with the people that I already had. But it was a really tough time, and I just needed someone in the classroom that I feel like I can talk to, and that was Atean.
Thank you so much.
Okay. And then okay, Kylie. Ito kasi kilala ko ni. Grabe. Like,
Thank you. Next.
parang nag-last yung impression sa akin from like 6th grade.
6th grade?
Kylie and like, ano?
Grade 6 nga.
Bro. Ate Yan, are you with us?
She was from Peps.
I was from Abu Dhabi before I
Yeah.
transferred to Dubai. Yeah.
Damn. Sister, you're not listening to her stories. Stories.
Yeah. Tapos, my impression of Kylie, she was like, you popular kid.
Hey, popular. Horizon Kylie in the house.
Nag-last yung impression na yun. And she was really like, parang top of the class din siya eh.
Top of the class.
Coming from the top one.
Sapa.
Wala, nakalimutan ko na tuloy sasabihin ko. Ano ba? Tapos dancer. Yeah, dancer. Medyo kilala ko na.
Dancer.
As we rise up, we are
Horizon.
And, hindi siya tahimik. She wasn't like quiet nung grade 6. Maingay siya.
Defend yourself. Defend yourself.
Ako ate yung tahimik nung grade 6. I was like,
Tables have turned.
I was the kid in the corner, doing notes, doing projects. And then,
Mysterious kid.
we barely like spoke to each other in grade 6. Siguro mga 6 words lang. Hindi ko talaga maalala ng
Sobrang memorable bilang niya yung
Just,
word counts.
it was only now na, medyo naman nag-uusap. Joke. May word limit kasi tong si Kylie. Siguro mga 50 words per day si Kylie. Yeah.
Tapos yung battery niya, lang, 25%. Ganun.
Yeah, but yeah, Kylie.
Horizon Kylie.
Now let's move
She's
on
cool.
to
She's swag.
Wow.
Ganda mo!
Ito na si Jody.
Fairy pala.
Akala ko tahimik si Jody. I really thought Jody was the quiet type. And she was nice. Yeah. Oo, cause like, there was this time na napasabi ako kay Jody na parang hindi ko first bet yung creative media. Tapos parang nag-start yung convo dun. Tapos parang she gave like a few words of comfort. So, ayun.
Sorry, matake yung words of wisdom ko nun eh.
Sobrang bait.
Princess mo.
Yet. Tapos, ngayon, sobrang ingay, grabe. She's like the
Gets.
friend,
Gets.
May DN.
she's like the friend that you can call when a conversation is dying. Yeah.
Paano kung ako yung
But
nagdaday
it
na?
really depends.
Hindi naman siya hindi siya awkward, pero namamatay yung social battery ng mabilis.
Pero mabilis din ma-charge.
Kasi ako nung tinanong rin ako nung family ko, nag-iingay ka na ba sa classroom nyo? Legit sinabi nila sa akin yun. Sabi ko, hindi ako nag-iingay, baka magulat sila sa kaingayan ko. Nagulat kayo lahat, di ba?
Tama.
Next!
Next!
Oh!
Pero pause muna.
Sa partner mo naman.
Wala na.
Kinikilig ko.
Ito.
Sobrang delusion.
Ano kasi Dustin?
Dustin?
Sorry. Sorry.
Sinong Dustin?
Sa PBB ka. Guys,
Sorry.
keep
Sorry.
keep up with us. Ano ba?
Okay. Kay JV? First day? Nasabi ko yung ano eh. I mean, during the first day, akala ko, I really thought he was 14. Kasi, here's the story kasi, we were like having like, the class introduction, of course, during the first weeks. And then JV was like, oh, I'm 14 years old. I was like, what? How does a 14-year-old get into like university? So,
Sobrang talino.
sobrang talino.
So rated.
So smart.
Genius.
Tapos, yung napansin ko kay JV, may, may default fit. May uniform siya. During the first day, he was like wearing this green cargo pants and a black shirt, I think. And then he had like so much friends coming in. Hi, JV! So, wow, apaka-popular naman nito. Daming kilala, so friendly. Tapos, nabutuloy. Tapos, napapansin ko siya kasi ang ingay ng pants niya.
Minsan na nga mapansin dahil pa sa pants.
Ay, naku, lagi niya nasusutin yun. Para mapansin. Just kidding.
Impossible outfit. Impossible ko to. Tapos ngayon, hanggang ngayon, ganun yung first impression ko sa kanya. Friendly, madaming kilala. Tapos yung pants niya, ganun pa rin. He's still wearing
Ibang
to this
kulay
day.
lang.
Tapos may kunento ako dito. Sabi ko, there was this one time like, nag-field trip kami. Tapos medyo nawala ako. Tapos parang tumahimik na lang ako. Tapos pinakinggan ko yung paligid. Because I was like listening. Tapos ayun, narinig ko yung pants ni JV. I heard JV's pants. So ayun, found my way back.
How about now?
Same.
Ano naman? Ano nga ba?
That's all? Okay.
He's funny. Humorous. And he gives a lot of dad jokes. May tinatagong talents.
Kaya dapat na lang taguin.
I don't know. Ewan ko sa kanya kung bakit niya tinatago. Yun.
Relax naman, may support.
Hindi niya na itatago yun. Bakit mo pa sinabi? Dapat tatago lang.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Okay. So, sino muna? Ate Salma? Ano? First impression? I guess, intimidated. Kasi, ate figure, so like, you know, you're older, so, yeah.
You see what I'm telling you guys?
I said older, not old.
Oh.
You see, guys?
No.
Okay.
Yan yung may word limit, guys.
Tapos now, masaya kasama, ka-humor, ganun. Okay. Next, Ate Yen. I already know Ate Yen. She's my
Co-dancer.
Basta
Horizon.
first impression. When did I meet you?
When did
Mel?
we first meet? I don't... Mira's house?
Yeah, I think Mel. First impression. I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Kasi we didn't talk. Like,
Oh yeah, we're the quiet ones.
yes, we're both quiet. So now, very sweet, ate. Yes.
Ate Salms. Intimidating.
Next, JV. First impression. Parang siga. Kasi it's the way you dress, bro.
Oh,
He
okay.
just looks like someone from. Never mind.
Anyways,
Oh.
yes. Yung suot niya ngayon. Tapos now, ano ba? What do you say about JB?
Basta yun.
Basta, oh.
Still the
Pareho
same.
lang din. Ganun pa rin suot niya.
At least uniform.
Okay, next. Iba-ibang kulay ng cargo pants.
Oh.
Yung default fit. Tapos ito. And what is the third fit? Ano yun? Isa pa siyang sinusuot eh. May hoodie siyang sinusuot.
Alam
Oh, only you would know, honestly.
Memorize. Very observant. Tapos next, Thea. Yeah, we've known each other since grade 6. First impression ko sa'yo? Smart.
Oh.
Ay,
Top 1, guys. Top 1.
very ma-effort siya.
Whoa! Next episode.
Eros, boss. Eros.
Okay, go.
Very ma-effort. Kasi I remember this one project in social studies. Scrapbook. Scrapbook. Tapos, you know the typical scrapbook, yung flip mo lang siya. Pero sa kanya, DIY niya. Hawak ko. Yung ano mo yung...
May demonstration.
Yung pa-square na ganyan. Tapos pagkabukas mo, ganun siya.
Very
artistic.
Artsy.
Ngayon, same lang din. No, top 1 siya eh.
Comment.
Yan yung
Thank
chat
you so
GPT
much.
namin.
Hala, chat GPT.
Literal, legit.
Tapos, si Jody, ano ba first impression ko? First impression ko, I think, tahimik lang din. Tapos ngayon, ayun,
Na fake news pala tayo.
sobrang kulit. Super kulit. Makikita mo na lang siya biglang tumatanon dyan, gano'n. Oh.
In every video.
Kiti-kiti.
Hello, that is offensive. That is offensive. I am offended.
Galaw, like, I don't
I am
even
offended.
know. Where are you getting
Kaya nga
this?
gusto ko yung nagalaw ako ng nagalaw sa work ko, di ba? Ayoko lang ng nakaupo.
May
Hindi
dalawang
mo
mood si Jody. Yung low bat, tas yung full battery.
There's no in between. Sa sobrang in-sync namin ni Jody, nagkakapareho na kami ng suot.
Yes.
Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, next. Next, guys. So, dito nagtatapos. Na joke lang. Go.
Ganyan niya ako binabastos talaga. Kita mo? Diba? Kita mo kung gaano niya ako binabastos. Hello?
Sorry, guys.
The
Sorry,
adults
guys.
are talking. The adults are talking.
Favorite mo ako na.
Huwag mo namang ipahalata na. Okay. Skip ads. Okay, kay Ate Salma, same lang din. Very intimidating. Legit kasi.
Alam ko na sa akin.
Very
you're
caring.
really, ganun kayo eh. BFFs kayo, di ba? So, dapat hindi, bawal magkabaligtad.
You balance each other.
Imagine mo ako violent.
No, bro.
Right.
Okay, so intimidating ka. Kasi parang, yung RBF mo kasi, be. Yun lang. Tapos feel ko siya, tropa-tropa nung unang beses naming pagkikita. Gawa ni Reynalyn. Remember that day? Shout
out, Reynalyn!
Shout out kay Reynalyn.
Our dropout
Yung sa auditorium, that's the first time we talked to each other. It was wow! It was wow! Okay. And then, impression ko ngayon, we vibin. We vibe. You know, the humor is it's on point. The humor is on humoring. The vibe is vibing. It's wow.
Wow.
Si Ate Yen, lang siya, very approachable siya. Siya?
Approachable.
Kasi, si Ate Yen kasi parang there was There was a time.
Ito yung ito yung energy burst na sinasabi ko.
Okay.
Full charge pala guys, full charge.
Then, si ate yan kasi, hindi nawala yung there was a time. Na para nagkatabi-kabi kay Sir Imran, pinagtabi niya kami.
Sir Imran.
Tapos, hindi ako nakikinig. As in, hindi ako nakikinig. Tapos bigla may tinanong sa akin si ate yan. Sabi ko lang, She asked me something and I was like, huh?
I don't remember this.
I remember it kasi this the first time we talked. Sabi ko, siya pala si Yen. Yun lang. Tapos ngayon, very, ate figure na parang,
Sorry.
Yun si ate Yen. Kapag makikita mo si ate Yen, yan siya. That's Yen.
Yan.
Wow.
Yan siya.
Yan siya.
Ang daming banat na to eh.
Later po.
Pause.
Slay, tita, slay.
Shout out sa'yo, tita. Okay. Kay JV, siya? Alam mo yung mga papansin sa kaklase? Yung mga pampam.
True.
Ay.
No.
Sorry. Wala talagang kakampi.
Yung mga pampam sa klase, kasi yung unang beses niya ako kinausap, sabi niya sa akin, di ba ikaw yung kapatid ni Pepoy? And I was like, paano makilala yung kapatid ko?
See guys,
Ganun.
that's why she's masungit. No. Masungit siya.
Very mature.
Yun yung parang, ba't makilala kapatid ko? Tapos, ngayon, ko na rin siya, para siyang, kapatid ko na rin siya, para siyang si Pepoy 2.0. Para siyang, parang kasama ko si Pepoy sa school. Parang gano'n na parang, tantanan niyo ako! Si Thea, siya? Sweet girl. Sweet girl?
Ano yung first impression?
Oo, first impression. Sweet girl lang siya. Yung parang, mo yung mga kikay? Na parang,
sobrang
mo yung mga
kikay.
pinaghahandaan talaga yung school? Na parang, okay, this is my outfit for today. I'm going to wear this in my first day of school.
Yung bago palang matulog, naka-ready na.
Yung parang, yung matutulog lang siya, parang katabi niya na yung outfit niya, mga ganun. Yung mga ganun. Tapos, there was this time na parang naglalakad lang ako, naghahanap ako ng upuan. Tinignan ko siya, nganitaan niya ako, sabi ko, ba't ako nganitaan? Sabi ko, magkakilala ba kami?
Pero guys, pause muna tayo.
Okay. Kaya ba today? Si Thea, last impression. Impression ngayon. Siya, para siyang baby girl. Baby girl, sweet girl.
Oo.
Siya yung parang bunsong kapatid. Yung mga ganun.
Pangatay ako.
Sa amin nga,
Impression lang sa amin, diba? Pwede bang, let the adults talk, bro? And ganun yun. May si Thea, may ganun siyang vibe. Na parang bunso-bunso siya. Very sweet and clingy siya, ganun. She's very also, She's very also? Very independent din siya. Minsan nasosobrahan na. Kaya minsan, pwede ba sundan ka muna? Kami na. Ayun lang. Si Kylie.
Is Horizon Kylie.
Is ang aking Kai sa aking Jo.
Wow!
Si Kylie, nung first impression ko, tahimik lang siya. Yun. Hindi, very tahimik lang siya. Alam mo yung parang may pinipiling kaibigan lang siya. Yung mga ganun. Na parang, kung hindi kita ka-close, diyan ka lang. Yung walls niya sobrang high. Yung mga ganun. Ang impression ko ngayon, wala na madaldal na sa akin si Kylie. Madaldal ka na sa akin, be. Kung alam mo lang yung mga kwento mo sa akin, alam ko na, madaldal siya sa akin. Kapag wala kayo, talker ako, di ba? I'm the talkative one. Pero kapag kami lang dalawa, she's the talkative one. She's the talkative one, sa amin dalawa. Ako lang yung listener. Ang dami niyang kwento eh. Naaliw nga ako minsan. Wow! The tables have turned. Ayun lang. Ayun lang. Okay, next.
Hindi tayo pa.
Ayaw niya. Pagod na siya, guys.
Okay. I'll start na. First impression kay JV. Bata, kasi nga nauto niya kami talaga. We really thought he was 14.
Mhm.
Now, yeah, parang kapatid. Like, masaya siyang asarin kasi hindi siya napipikon. Ganon. Like, he'll be just like, ayoko na, guys. Ganon siya. Ganon siya. Ganon siya. Kay Thea, nakwento ko na to sa kanila eh. First impression ko sa kanya, like, sobrang arte. Like, to the point na, like, oh my God, I don't wanna go near this girl. Kasi, like, feel ko talaga ang kikay niya na, parang, ano ba yan?
Yung sobra sa kikay.
Oo, like, tapos binash.
Go.
Binash ko kasi yung, ano niya nun, like, sa sarili ko lang, wala ko pinagsabihan. Yung hair niya dito, mahilig siya hindi niya, ayan, meron. You see? Nasa harap lang yung curls, guys. Napabother ako sa ganon. But then when I get to know Thea, like, she's someone na gusto naming i-protect lagi. Ganon.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tama.
Like, kahit pangalan siya sa family niya, for us, she's the bunso. Yeah, sa kanya, siya lang ang kayang yumakap sa akin nang hindi ako gaganon.
True.
Like, out of nowhere, sorry.
Nakakaselos
Sorry,
na nga eh. Nakakaselos na nga eh.
Sorry, guys. Kasi ewan ko, like, she's really like our baby girl lang. Sorry, guys. Sa inyo kasi parang, alam niyo yun.
Gets.
Pag siya parang lalapit siya sa akin, pag gayakap siya, I'm like, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ganon. Pero she's just like that. Kay Jody, first impression ko, maingay na talaga. Like, kahit di pa siya nagsasalita, feel ko maingay na siya.
Feel ko nung mga panahon na tahimik ako, ang maraming boses na pumapasok sa utak ko.
Ano, baliw?
Yung mga gusto kong ilabas na nandito na sa nagagaganon.
So, pero ngayon, nalalabas niya na lahat na nasa utak niya.
True.
Ano siya, she's very, hindi ko in-expect na maging ka-close ko siya kasi akala ko like, alam ko maingay siya pero to the point na maingay lang sa, alam mo yun, like, hindi ko magiging friends sa mga to. Like, namimili siya ng friends ka to. But like now, she's really someone na ayan.
Ayan, maingay pa rin.
Okay na to.
Ang dami niya na-influence sa amin. Like, alam nyo guys, silang dalawa.
Sinong dalawa?
Kaijo. Ano man sa inyo. Dahil sa kanila, napadownload daw ng Viva One. Kakanoon.
Wow.
Dahil sa kanila talaga yan, promise. So yun guys, yeah. Kay Kylie naman, first impression ko sa kanya, maldita.
Ay, sorry.
Like, I was really intimidated by her kasi like, alam mo yung may RBF din siya, tas yung kilay niya, nakaganon. So I'm like, tas sinabi ko dito, maldita ba siya? Ganun. Sabi niya, no, tahimik lang siya. Then, I think nag-start kaming mag-usap nung magkatabi kami, tapos may pinagawa sa amin si Sir Imran. Parang, first ever project sa auditorium. Tapos quiet lang siya nun, ganon. Hanggang sa lumalabas na kami, we're having lunch outside, ganon. Tapos sabi niya, feel ko kilala mo ate ko. Sabi niya ganon sa akin. Yeah, sinabi mo sa akin yun. Tapos ngayon, like, she's really, sabi niya gawing keychain, guys. Promise.
Ang sarap ibulsa.
Oo. She's very, rin. Siya, kahit tahimik siya, alam mong makikinig siya sa'yo. Ganon. Kaya Yen, first impression, that was like grade 4, grade 3. Guys, ang tagal na magkakilala ni Yen. Alam mo yung real name niya? Joke lang.
Boom.
Okay, so now, for yan naman, it's been so long since last namin nagkita talaga. But, like, nung naging, na kami ulit, like, ganun. Kasi dati, guys, ang hirap niyang makontak. Para siyang nasa cave. As in, like, we don't know her number. Wala siyang social media. Like, ang hirap niyang i-contact talaga. But yeah, nung na-meet ko na siya, like, bumalik yung memories. Memories!
Memories.
Like, when we were high school, ganon. Kasi hindi ako nakakasama sa mga gala nila dati. Ngayon lang ako bumabawi.
Yung gala na ikaw na nagpaplano.
Ah, true. Like, hindi, dati din ako nagpaplano, di ako nakakasama. Kaya binabash nila ako dati. Ganun na kami ngayon. Like, yeah, actually, obvious naman na we're very opposite. She's quiet. I'm also quiet. She's caring. I'm not.
You are caring in your own way.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Pero like, I'm really thankful na nag-bond kami ulit niyan.
Aww.
You see, guys, caring ba yan?
But she still wouldn't hug me.
Hug. Isang hug lang.
Guys, I'm really not...
Hug lang. Open your arms, Atian. Open your arms.
That's fine na for me, you know. And they know that naman. Alam nila yung love language.
Respect.
Yes. And yeah. I really love her, guys. Promise. Kiligin ka. Kilig ako.
Mahal mo?
Alam nyo, 3 weeks siya hindi pumapasok. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, I miss you na. Then she's like, first time. Yeah, guys. Cause like, syempre, ganun na kami. Pero like, pag quiet siya, I let her be. Yeah. I respect her alone time. Yeah, that's all. Now your turn.
Slay. Wag na.
Oh.
Honestly, I don't remember my first impression to everyone. But, like, it's so blurry in my brain because I feel like it's been... I feel like I've known them for quite a long time. But it's only been like a few months.
Yeah.
Since September. I mean, not for these two, but like, I don't know. I guess I was like, sure. I got comfortable that I don't remember, but I think I was annoyed with you.
Guys, okay. Wasn't even surprised.
As a man,
Wow.
Surprised.
as a man hater. No, I'm kidding. He's just so annoying. You know? I'm just like,
True.
can you shut up? I'm kidding. No, but I feel like I got annoyed because I guess you remind me of my brother, and brothers are annoying.
Exactly.
You know, that kind of
I can
annoying.
relate.
But like,
Daming comment.
Go.
Ito yung hindi naubusan ng salita. Like, she just pulls the words out of
Okay, skip ads. Okay.
anyways, now he is still very annoying, but it's okay. I care for him now. So
Yay.
Slight lang. Mga 5%.
slight. Anyways, for Thea, yeah, she was very like what everyone said, like kikai, and
Sobrang
it's
kika.
kind of like hard to approach you because you have RBF. So I'm like, oh, she's not gonna talk to us. She's just gonna give us the elevator look and be like, you know.
Oh.
Now that we know her, she is like very sweet and malambing. I don't know too. So yeah, she's our baby girl. So like what everyone said, then we have to protect her kasi.
Oh.
Baby, you're not
Pause.
There's just like there's dangers in the world, so we have to protect her. Okay. Yes. Okay, Jody. She fooled everyone. We thought she was nice.
Oh, hello?
We thought she was quiet. I mean, she's nice. Okay, anyways. I don't know. She's just you can't tame her. She's just always jumping.
Hello?
Like every video I film of you, it starts with you jumping and playing.
Really?
Yeah.
Grabe.
Yeah. I thought she was quiet, but I was like, damn, I'm wrong for the first time. Anyways, Kylie, I don't
Raising
remember
Kylie.
how. Yeah, I know her because we are in the same dance group, but like I said, we are the quiet ones. So we would be sitting next to each other, just That's it. But then now, oh my gosh, she talks to me now.
Wow.
She makes cuento and everything. And I'm just like, oh no, a few days ago, I told Ate Heart, I was like, Ate Heart, Kylie talked to me today. She started, at the end, look, and then she made cuento all these things. And I'm like, she accepts me now. Anyways, okay, Salma. I don't remember. It's been like a decade. Let's not be specific. Let's not be specific. I think we were the ones who wasn't the closest in our friend group. Kasi they're like there's like the loud ones and the quiet ones. So and they're just the loud ones. Super loud. So I think dami commentary.
Kita-kita sa sa podcast yung mga first impression.
And then now gaaway muna sila. Okay, let's go. Slay.
Okay, go.
And then now I feel like we got closer now. This school year. Yeah, because we're classmates again. Anyways, guys, she still wouldn't let me hug her. We've been besties for like... Only when I'm sad. Yeah. She said that's the only reason because you're sad. So, okay, fine. But like, she has to prepare herself. She's like... I am offended. Okay, I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, we're good now. Okay, to wrap it up, we're closer now. Yay!
Yay!
Creative media brought us together.
Yes,
Yay.
guys. So that's basically it. What do you want us to talk about? Yeah, that's all for today's episode, guys. You know our stories. You know how
Creative media.
you know how creative media. You know our journey, basically.
Yes.
Yeah, you know us now.
A little
mga ganon.
bit more.
Little bit, yes. And it's like we said, our podcast is unfiltered. You'll really know the real us if you just watch, like, and share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Yes, any things you want to say, guys?
Yeah.
The
Thank you so
silence is so
much.
loud. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you for listening for our again, Bobo. Thank you for listening to our podcast.
Yay!
See you next episode.
See you in our next episode. Bye.